Hello everyone, my name is Shaha and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. Today I want to discuss about the case law that is Sackett versus EPA, Environmental Protection Agency. Also known as Sackett 2, was a United States Supreme Court case related to the scope of the Clean Water Act. The case was decided on May 25, 2023 and it held that the Clean Water Act CWA only applies to wetlands that have a continuous surface connection with traditional navigable waters. The case arose from the actions of Michael and Chantal Sackett, who filled in wetlands on their property in Idaho without a permit from the EPA. The EPA argued that the wetlands were waters of the United States because they were adjacent to a ditch that fed into a creek which fed into Priest Lake, a navigable intrastate lake. The Sackett sued, alleging that their property was not waters of the United States. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of the Sacketts, including holding that the CWA only applies to wetlands that have a continuous surface connection with traditional navigable waters. The court said that the EPA's interpretation of the CWA was too broad and that it would lead to the regulation of wetlands that are not actually connected to traditional navigable waters. The Sackett decision is likely to have a significant impact on the implementation of the CWA. The decision will make it more difficult for the EPA to regulate wetlands, and it could lead to a decrease in the number of permits issued by the EPA. The decision could also lead to more litigation over the scope of the CWA's jurisdiction. Here are some of the key takeaways from the Sackett decision. The Clean Water Act only applies to wetlands that have a continuous surface connection with traditional navigable waters. The EPA's interpretation of the CWA was too broad and would have led to the regulation of wetlands that are not actually connected to traditional navigable waters. The Sackett decision is likely to have a significant impact on the implementation of the CWA. The decision could lead to more litigation over the scope of CWA's jurisdiction. Now, I'm winding up this video. If any of you have the questions regarding the same, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you.